fast and easy amaryllis, the perfect Christmas flower, let me show you the professional tips for creating the beautiful cylinders, the long-lasting arrangement. Amaryllis are such a favorite flower, but oftentimes they can bend or break, and then they're not beautiful. If you design in a tall cylinder, that can support them. Just cut them to fit, then set them into the cylinder. To secure it, using clear waterproof tape. Actually tape them directly to the cylinder. So turn them so that their faces are right where you want them, then tape to the vase, bring it around, and tape it back to secure them and let them stand straight. To add beauty to the bottom, tucking in ornaments. If they're heavy, great, just set them down in, making sure you don't break your vase. If they're lightweight glass ornaments, take time to add water into the ornament itself. This will keep it from floating when you add water to the vase. Then you can just set it in and repeat. That way when you add your water, everything will stay put. Adding one more amaryllis down low inside the vase adds unity top to bottom and extends the line. You can just tuck it down, making the stem match the others. Then go back and finish it off with a few more balls. Repeating, creating so many so you can spread them out along the table, along the buffet, throughout the house. Incredibly long-lasting, amazingly beautiful. The recipe, oh so easy. 3 cylinders, fun Christmas balls, and 9 amaryllis, 3 in each vessel. The holidays are so hectic and busy. When there's a fabulous arrangement that is so quick and easy, that's what we look for. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Gather some cylinders, find amaryllis, and create away. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media, #Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.